Good morning, children. Let's continue here with our new lesson. The lesson name is Thank You, Uncle. Okay, so it's a very beautiful story. Here, two children, they are a beautiful relation they share with their uncle. Okay, so it's based on family. In our family, except if you leave your father, mother, or what you call your grandfather, grandmother, there are many other relations you have. Yes, what you call your attaya, mamaya, babai, you have, no? So here uncle, babai. So here we are going to see how children, they love this uncle for what and how they share a very beautiful relationship. Okay, so our theme is family. So in your family you have many people. Yes, except your father, mother, there are many beautiful relations you share. If you your with your uncle, with your aunt, with your nearby, many. Normally when we in English we say uncle, in Telugu there are many relations with like that. Yes, mamai, babai, so many cousins, so many relations. So that's what make our life really very beautiful. When we have so many people who love us, who care for us, when we have some problem, we're afraid to share it to our parents. So there are many people who come, oh, I'll help you, I will talk to them. They come forward. If something is said no by our parents, our uncle, aunt, they come forward. Why no send for picnics or some buying some things. Yes. So in that way they are very important relations to us. So, and also they make our life so beautiful with them. We enjoy in festivals, we play with them, we go for a picnic with them. Yes, we enjoy, no? So here with that we'll start our lesson. See here, with let's start. There is a beautiful family picture. Can you see? Yes, see. It's a big family here with grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, everyone. Okay, so how many members are there in your family? You have to write. Okay, so it is someone's family like that. Even you have your family picture like this. Yes, in New Year, Sankranti or Dasera, Batakamma, Bonalu, while celebrating, you take all those pictures, family, where function, gatherings, marriages, where all the family, more than, sometimes it cannot be fit in one frame, that much big family we have. Yes, so here what you have to do here, you have to write their names here, family names. Okay, grandmother, grandmother's name, grandfather's name, here mother's name, father's name, sister, brother, uncle, aunt, uncle's name you have to fill in this page. Okay, children. Okay, and while filling you can remember the memories you have, what the special thing you did with your uncle, aunt, your brothers and your grandfather, grandmother, what are the special things they did for you or you enjoyed with them, you can share even that also. Okay, write in your rough note and keep it. When you come to school you can share with us in the class. Okay, children, so let's begin our lesson here. Before I start, always I say, put your pencil or finger, run your pencil or finger. I'll go slow. Just listen to me. Once one video, when it comes up to where I may read, up to that you have to just practice perfectly till the next video comes. Understand, children? Okay. Shall we start? All are ready with the books? Page number 31, children. Okay. Uncle Anand has come to stay with Minnie and Vijay, as their parents are out of town. Who are those children here? Minnie and Vijay. Minnie and Vijay's uncle who? Uncle Anand. Understood? So here Minnie and Vijay's uncle who? Uncle Anand, children. Okay, because why Uncle Anand came to stay with Minnie and Vijay? Because their parents, whose parents? Minnie and Vijay's parents are out of town. Okay, every year uncle takes them out on a surprise trip. What happens this year? Read and find out. So every year Uncle Anand takes Minnie and Vijay for a surprise trip. Always surprise trip. You understand, children? Surprise. That means where they are going, that is not informed them or told them before. So it's interesting, no? When you reach where we are going, that always that excitement will be inside. So every year they take. Who take? Uncle Anand take home Minnie and Vijay on a surprise trip. So this story is this year where they are going. We are going to see. Okay. Shall we start? Okay, we understood what the story about. So here Minnie and Vijay's uncle Anand came to stay with them, to take care of them. Why? Because Minnie and Vijay's parents were out of town. Okay, because they are small children, they can't stay alone. So Uncle Anand is taking care of them. So every year Uncle Anand takes Minnie and Vijay for a surprise trip. Okay, which is not informed them where they are going. So this year also they have some plan like that. But let's see here where they are going this year. Minnie and Vijay were excited, very happy. Their parents had gone out of town and Uncle Anand, their father's brother. Who is Uncle Anand? Minnie and Vijay's father's brother. Okay. See, I said no, what we call in Telugu children? Babai? Yes? Okay. Father's brother had come over to look after them. Come over means visited them. To look after, to see, to take care of them, to take care of Minnie and Vijay. Okay, children? Uncle Anand was great fun. He always thought of adventurous things to do. So Uncle Anand, what kind of a person was Uncle Anand? He's a very fun-loving person, very fun. With him, very fun-loving means with him, wherever you are, you will be very happy. What always he thought of adventurous, new things. Adventurous means something exciting, something new in life to do. Okay. The last time that he had stayed with them, he had taken them to see the shooting of a film that his friend was making. So the last time when he came to stay with Minnie and Vijay, who? Uncle Anand, he took him to their shooting, film shooting. You understand? Live shooting, where that film was shot by his friend. Whose friend? Uncle Anand's friend. So he took Minnie and Vijay to see. It will be interesting, no? When you see something, a movie, how it is shoot behind camera, everything you see on live. How interesting! Always you like to see shooting, no? So Minnie and Vijay got a chance through whom? Through Uncle Anand. Okay, so that's why they love to spend time with whom? With Uncle Anand. 4 days after that, Minnie went around pretending to shoot a film. Her friends had to hold things like lights and cameras while Minnie held a paper cone to her mouth and shouted out directions. So after seeing that, Minnie, after seeing that shooting, Minnie, what she used to do for weeks, she used to like she used to act like she is shooting a movie, a film. So she is a director. Her friends has to hold the what do you call that, lights. Cameramans will be no lights, camera. They hold. And she used to held a paper cone, with paper made cone, giving direction. Okay, move here, like Mike, directors, have you seen, no? Cut, move that side, go here. So she acted like that, okay. So with her friends, after seeing that effect she had of that movie. Have you packed everything? Asked Uncle Anand as the two children set off to catch the school bus. So that day, the present day, they have to attend school. So Uncle Anand, have you packed your things, children? You have to catch your bus. So because he is taking care of them, he should, they are getting ready, and it's his duty to see children have packed everything, taken everything. Okay. So he is a good caretaker, as they are ready to catch their school bus. Okay. Yes, said the children. The children said, yes, we are all ready and we have taken everything with us. Oh, tell us what the surprise is. Oh, there before going, please tell us what the surprise is this time. They knew that this time also Uncle Anand has some surprise for us. So they asked what the surprise. Please tell. Tell us now, please, beg the children. So the children, please tell, what is the surprise? Children, they can't, if something is said, you have a surprise, till they get the surprise, they won't forget that. They'll be only excited about that. Even here, Minnie and Vijay both are really excited, and they are asking to whom? To Uncle Anand. Please tell us, no, what is the surprise? No, it is time for the bus. You will miss it if you don't go right now. Uncle Anand said, no, not now, because already your bus time. If you don't go now immediately, you may miss the bus. So you must start now. Go, move and catch your bus. So the children started walking towards the bus stop. So children understood, yes, it is the time. So they started walking towards the bus stop. I wonder what uncle is planning, said Minnie. While walking, they both are talking. What? See, why wonder? I think, what? I really am thoughtful. What Uncle Anand is planning, I don't know. I bet he'll take us to watch that football match, said Vijay. So Vijay said, I bet. You say, no? I know. So they don't know actually where the surprise plan is. So they are just guessing. So when Minnie said, I don't know what he is planning, then Vijay said, I bet that he is taking us to see the football match. Okay, who said that? Vijay. See children, here we have finished our first page. Here if you see, here Uncle Anand, here Vijay and Minnie. See here, they are saying bye. This is Uncle Anand saying, when you come back, I have a surprise for you. I'll have a surprise. I'll tell that time, not now. Okay. So I hope this page is, you are very thorough. I'll read it for you once again, only this page. Please listen. Minnie and Vijay were excited. Their parents had gone out of town, and Uncle Anand, their father's brother, had come over to look after them. Uncle Anand was great fun. He always thought of adventurous things to do. The last time that he had stayed with them, he had taken them to see the shooting of a film that his friend was making. For days after that, Minnie went around pretending to shoot a film. Her friends had to hold things like lights and cameras, while Minnie held a paper cone to her mouth and shouted out directions. Have you packed everything? Asked Uncle Anand as the two children set off to catch the school bus. Yes, said the children. Oh, tell us what the surprise is. Tell us now, please, begged the children. No, it is time for the bus. You will miss it if you don't go right now. So the children started walking towards the bus stop. I wonder what uncle is planning, said Minnie. I bet he'll take us to watch that football match, said Vijay. See children, read as many times as you can. Make this, this up to here perfect, okay? Okay, we'll continue this in our next video.